Hello and welcome to another update video about VeChain. Yeah, lots of volatility going on in the crypto space at the moment. We're dealing still on the larger time frame with the same pattern. Idea is still that we are in the third wave. Oops, 1 second. In the third wave here in the white count, which however is only the alternative, right? So if the white count is playing out, then this third wave should send us at least to 13.3 cents. Quick explanation, that's the bullish scenario where we have a 5-wave move up into the February or March highs, then a corrective pullback into this support zone. Now a third wave is unfolding but should stretch higher at least to 13.2 cents. Then at some point we should see a larger fourth wave and a larger fifth wave. But the idea is that rather it makes sense to focus first of all on the yellow scenario, which is the primary count, where we've seen a 5-wave decline and then an A wave up in 5 waves, a B wave down, also in the support area. And this is now a C wave up. Now the first key target for a C wave is the 100% extension. Surprise, we've reached that and we see a strong decline. Yeah, that's why I give you all these levels and mention that the yellow scenario is the primary scenario, because literally it could form a top at any point. But then to confirm a top, we need to monitor the smaller time frame, and I actually prefer one more high on the smaller time frame at least. So we're going to take a look at that in a minute, but from a Fibonacci extension point of view, the risk is high, as I said, because this C wave has reached the first ideal target already, the 100% extension at 7.8 cents. But further upside is possible, but we need the micro count, the microstructure for that. Now, important to understand, this yellow C wave could also, push a little bit higher. The yellow C wave might reach 10.8 cents or 13.3 cents, no problem. But what really distinguishes between the yellow and the white count is, first of all, whether after this top is formed, we get another higher low. That is rather the white scenario then, and another higher high. And can we actually break above 14.2 cents? This is important because this level is the 78.6 retracement, and the yellow wave 2 corrective rally shouldn't really break above that level. Now let's also take a look at the smaller time frame and let's understand if anything changed due to this strong correction that we had now. And looking at it, the price has only dipped into the support region we were tracking anyway. If you watched the videos over the last few days, then you know that for this internal fourth wave pullback, 4.7 to 6.2 cents were the next support levels to watch. We're now in that support area, and then from there we could still get one more high. As you can see it labeled on the chart, so from this support area we could get one more high in wave 5 of C of circle wave 3. Now, why is that relevant? Because in circle wave 3, one more high would likely send us higher towards the next resistance area around, I just showed you the levels on the smaller, on the larger time frame, 8.5 cents, 10.8, or even 13.3 cents. And it's just important to understand that in both scenarios I have here, so either this is an internal 4, and we then complete circle 3 and then circle 4, then higher, or we're already in circle 4, so it's possible. This is the internal third wave. One second. So it's possible that this third wave topped already, then we're already in the larger fourth wave. So, but in both scenarios, I'm watching for circle wave 4 to unfold either directly or in the other scenario after one more high. The current support region for circle wave 4 is between 3.3 cents and 4.6 cents. At the moment, the thesis is we are still in the smaller degree fourth wave, but if there is a sustained break below the 50% retracement at 4.7 cents, it's the circle 4 key level that matters, and that's at 3.3 cents, which is why when we are dealing with two support regions, the lower one is typically the one that should be used for risk management. And if we get a deeper pullback, already now I think we already have a favorable reward to risk ratio, because the pullback was quite strong. One more low is possible. I mean, I see this as a correction anyway, right? And it could be wave 4. If we're looking at this wave 4, whether it's the smaller degree or the larger degree, then we can say we had a wave A, This is a bit ambiguous. Might very well be A, B, C, D. Might even be a triangle in B. We're now moving down in wave C, and it might get one more low. I mean, it might do. It doesn't have to, but it might give us one more low. It would be cleaner pattern, because then we have a wave down, A, B, C, D, E in a triangle in wave B, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in wave C. So one more low is possible, actually also quite probable. I was tracking this as a triangle, but it seems to have been an internal B wave triangle. I can remove those triangle trend lines now, and we'll watch if the bulls start to step in. I'm also going to remove the trend channel now, because the break of the trend channel makes this not really useful anymore. And yeah, so let's see if the bulls step in here. They would need to keep this microstructure alive, even though one more low to test 4.7 cents would still be part of that same wave 4. That's the update about VeChain. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.